Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I have an update for those of you in the state of California who have been asking me about when we are going to hear more information about the California Golden State Stimulus. The California Golden State Stimulus is an additional $600 stimulus payment to Californian low-income EITC recipients. Now, if you earn $30,000 or less in tax year 2020, you may be eligible to receive an additional $600 stimulus payment from the state of California in addition to the federal stimulus. Now, we had radio silence on the news regarding the California Golden State Stimulus for several weeks since it was proposed. We didn't hear anything. There were no additional updates. Yesterday on Wednesday, Governor Gavin Newsom released a press release which shared additional detailed information regarding the Golden State Stimulus. This additional stimulus will benefit low-income earners who are eligible to receive the EITC tax credit, which is for incomes of $30,000 and below for tax year 2020, and small businesses and several other groups. So stick around and make sure you listen to all of the details to see if any of the benefits apply to you. Now, hearings for this legislation begin today on Thursday, and a vote is expected on Monday. Now, on the press release that was shared on Governor Gavin Newsom's newsroom yesterday on his website, it states that 5.7 million Californians are eligible to receive this additional stimulus payment. The press release states that this stimulus will go to those with incomes below $30,000, as well as those unfairly excluded from previous federal stimulus payments. A $600 one-time relief to households receiving the California EITC for 2020. So what is the EITC? The EITC is the Earned Income Tax Credit. According to the California Franchise Tax Board, you qualify for the Cal EITC if you are at least 18 years old or have a qualifying child and you have earned income within certain limits. In order to qualify, you must have taxable earned income. You must have a valid Social Security number or ITIN number for you, your spouse, and any qualifying children. Not use married, RDP filing separate if married, live in California for more than half of the year. Your earned income can be from W-2 wages, self-employment, salaries, tips, other employee wages subject to California withholding. So if you have unemployment income, does that count as earned income? No. Unemployment income is taxable income, but it is not classified in the eyes of the IRS as earned income because you did not earn it from self-employment or from wages at a W-2 job. So the amount of unemployment that you receive does not count towards meeting that threshold of having earned income. This is the chart provided on the California Franchise Tax Board, which shows the 2020 EITC credit. Different set of requirements to qualify for the federal EITC. So I don't want you guys to confuse the federal EITC with the Cal EITC. The Cal EITC is the one that is going to qualify you for the California State $600 payment. If you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit, then you would qualify for the additional $600 stimulus. The next group of people who qualify for the additional $600 stimulus are taxpayers with an ITIN number who were precluded from receiving the $1,200 per person federal payments issued last spring and the more recent $600 federal payments. So if you did not qualify to receive the federal stimulus of $600 or the federal stimulus of $1,200, then you would qualify to receive a one-time $600 payment. In addition to that, the agreement would also provide the $600 payments to households with ITINs and income below $75,000. ITIN taxpayers who also qualify for the California EITC would receive a total of $1,200. The press release states that this additional $600 stimulus payment would be paid out to individuals shortly following filing their 2020 income taxes. The last group of individuals eligible to receive the $600 stimulus payment is a $600 one-time grant to households enrolled in the CalWorks program and recipients of SSI, SSP, and Cash Assistant Program for Immigrants. Grant payments for CalWorks households are expected by mid-April. Timing for the delivery of SSI, SSP, and CAPI grants is currently under discussion with federal officials. This additional stimulus also includes some small business provisions. It increases from $500 million to more than $2 billion for grants up to $25,000 for small businesses impacted by the pandemic, and also allocates $50 million for cultural institutions. It allows companies to deduct up to $150,000 of PPP and EIDL related expenses. So if you use your PPP or EIDL loan for business expenses, this essentially models the federal modifications to how those funds are taxed. All businesses that took out a loan of $150,000 or less would be able to maximize their deduction for state purposes. The tax treatment would also extend to the economic injury disaster loan as well. It's 2 years of fee relief for roughly 59,000 restaurants and bars licensed through the state's Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. The agreement also reflects fee relief for more than 600,000 barbering and cosmetology individuals and businesses licensed through the Department of Consumer Affairs. In terms of child care benefits, this adds over $400 million in new federal funds that will provide stipends of $525 per enrolled child for all state-subsidized child care and preschool providers. The new federal resources will extend care for children of essential workers through June of 2022. An additional $24 million for financial assistance and services through Housing for the Harvest, a program providing support for agricultural workers who have had to quarantine due to COVID-19. The agreement also provides a combined $35 million for food banks and diapers. A portion of this also is allocated to benefit community college students, additional $100 million in emergency financial aid for qualifying low-income students carrying 6 or more units, with award amounts to be determined locally and made available by early April. The agreement also provides $20 million to re-engage students who have either left their community college studies because of the pandemic or to engage students at risk of leaving. Roughly $6 million to support outreach and application assistance to University of California, California State Universities, and California Community College students made newly eligible for CalFresh. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. I will continue to keep you posted as new information is provided. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Hey guys, it's Jenny. Where's my microphone? It's over here. Now, in the press release that was published on the Officer Gavin Newsom, in addition to the federal stimuli, I don't like how stimuli sounds. I'm not gonna use it. Sounds creepy.